Hi everyone, welcome to shsirclasses. Today in this video we have to draw a circle of radius 6.2 centimeter or diameter 12.2 centimeter. So let's start the video. First of all, we have to draw here a length 6.2 centimeter. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and this is 6.2, and we know that radius of the circle is equal to half of diameter of the circle, and this is 6.2 centimeter. Now taking here a point, next taking the length 6.2 centimeter by using compass by this way and putting the compass on the point, and now drawing here a arc by this way, and which represent a circle with radius 6.2 centimeter. Now joining this one, and this is the radius of the circle, and this is 6.2 centimeter. Now taking center O and here a point, so this is 6.2 centimeter. So therefore radius OA equal to 6.2 centimeter. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, then please share it with your friends.